Hi boys and girls. Today I'm at my house and I thought I could show you some different things we could do with baking soda and vinegar. We're going to do some science and do a sparkly explosion, and then we're going to do some painting I thought you might be able to do at home. So what you do is all you need is a tray, a vase, some baking soda, some dye. This is watercolor dye, but you could also use food dye. This is vinegar, and we're also going to use some fun glitter. So what we need to do first is put some baking soda, for our sparkly explosion that is, to put some baking soda in the vase, is what we're doing, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda. I'm going to put 3. And then we need some drops of our watercolor paint. This is, or your food coloring. This is, I'm going to put some red in. So I'm going to do about 6 to 7 drops. You ready? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh well, we did 8. Let's see how colorful it's going to be. I bet our explosion is going to be colorful. Now we're going to put some glitter in. Oh, fun. Glitter, I'm going to put some blue glitter. Put about 1 tablespoon or about 2 teaspoons of blue glitter. And then we're going to put the vinegar in and we're going to watch and see what happens. This is a cool science experiment. You ready? On the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wow, look at that. Can you see it? It's a sparkle explosion. Here, I'm going to put it closer so you can see the sparkles. See all the sparkles? Oh my goodness. I love how that exploded into a pink explosion. You can do that at home too with baking soda and vinegar and some food coloring and glitter. So the next thing we're going to do is you can also do art with baking soda and vinegar. So I'm going to switch out my tray. Hold on 1 second. So what you're going to do is you're going to mix some paint and baking soda. I did some purple paint here. So if you mix some paint and baking soda and then you put it on a cardboard piece. I use cardboard because if you use paper, it's just going to get all mushy and yucky. So we're going to use paint. And we're just going to paint some paint on there. And actually, I am going to do, you can also just drip some paint on here. Like this. And then I'm going to sprinkle some baking soda on my pink paint. Can you see that? So we can do that, make a reaction with the baking soda and vinegar and see what happens to our painting. We did this at school. I don't know if you remember. You guys had a lot of fun with it. So I'm going to get some more vinegar. I'm going to put it in my cup here. And then I'm going to take my pipette and we're going to put it on our painting. So here, I'll put it up so you can see it. And when I do that, watch what happens. Look at those bubbles. Do you see those bubbles? It creates a chemical reaction. And we are scientists when we do this. When we have the vinegar go onto the baking soda, we are our own scientists creating our own chemical reactions. Look how fun that is, friends. I don't know if you remember doing this at school, but you guys had a lot of fun and you did a lot of different colors. You can even take your paintbrush and you can move around the paint into the baking soda, or you can mix the paint and baking soda together. That might be a little easier. And then you can make your own creation. And then you can, with a pipette, get your vinegar out and then put it on. And it creates bubbles. Do you see the bubbles? There's bubbles right there, see? And then the colors mix. And when they dry, it's a beautiful painting creation by you. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope you can have fun making your own explosions and art creations at home. I'd love to see anything you make from home. You can bring it to our Zoom class this week or next week, and I hope you have a great day. All right, bye-bye.